Moving on to our next award in the education sector is the most emerging higher institution of the year education, Dr. Lalit Kumar Gupta, Director Shamlar Saraswati Mahavidyalaya. Dr. Lalit Gupta. Many congratulations, sir. Again, मुझे बार-बार बोलना पड़ रहा है. Please, huge round of applause. Our next award in education sector is.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. What's your good name, sir?
Dr. Lalit Kumar Gupta.
Dr. Lalit, I really want to know from you, how are you feeling today?
I'm very excited to get this particular award, especially for the Higher Emerging Institute of the rural area. I'm very happy to announce that this particular postgraduate college is founded by Bharat Ratna Honorable Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Wow.
And this particular college giving me the excellent education, especially for the rural area students.
Right.
And we are running about the 12 courses in this particular postgraduate college. BA, BSc, MSc and biotechnology, and so many other courses for the, especially for the weaker students and weaker area students, the rural area. So we provide the higher education in the field of this particular courses.
Oh, would you like to tell something about anything about your work and from how long you're working?
We have a 23 years long legacy is particular college from 2000 to 2023. And now according to the new education policy, we are trying to give the education to our students, especially for the rural area students.
That's great. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations once again and keep enjoying the